Hold on, before you write that check to the wrong barndominium builder and potentially lose tens of thousands of dollars, you need to see what I found. I spent weeks researching the best barndominium builders in every major state across America, and what I discover about pricing, designs, and ratings will shock you. Some builders are charging $225 to $350 per square foot, while others deliver the same quality for $65 to $160. Stick around because I'm breaking down the top builders by region, their signature designs, real client ratings, and the red flags you absolutely must watch for. If you're serious about building a barndominium, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. I'm going to save you from making expensive mistakes, and you'll want to catch every video I release on alternative housing. Let's dive in. In 2026, the barndominium market has exploded across America. These aren't your grandfather's metal barns anymore. We're talking luxury homes with soaring 16-foot ceilings, chef kitchens, spa bathrooms, and integrated workshops, all built faster and cheaper than traditional homes. But here's the problem. With popularity comes bad actors. Not all builders are created equal, and choosing the wrong one could cost you $50,000 to $100,000 extra, or worse, leave you with a half-finished project. Today, I'm giving you the honest breakdown of the best barndominium builders across major states, organized by region. I'll tell you their pricing, their signature design styles, what makes them stand out, and most importantly, what real clients are saying about them. This isn't a paid promotion for any builder. This is pure research to help you make the smartest decision possible. The South, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. Let's start where barndominiums were born. Texas. Texas remains the #1 state for barndominium searches and builds in 2026, and for good reason. The market is mature, builders are experienced, and prices are competitive. Boss Hog Barndominiums operates nationwide, but started in Indiana, and has massive presence in Texas. They offer true turnkey service, meaning everything under one roof. Custom design, financing, engineering, and complete construction. Their pricing runs $225 to $350 per square foot for full turnkey, which is on the higher end, but includes absolutely everything. Their signature style features open concept living with custom floor plans tailored to each client's budget. Client ratings are consistently strong, with customers praising their organization and the fact that many standard features with Boss Hog are upgrades with other builders. If you want a hands-off experience where one company handles everything, Boss Hog is worth considering. The Barndo Co., based in multiple states with strong Texas presence, has built their reputation on core values literally spelled out as Barndo. Be the best, accountable, relationships matter, never settle, deliver excellence, overcome obstacles. Their pricing is competitive in the $180 to $300 range for turnkey. What sets them apart is their family-oriented culture and dedication to making sure clients don't hate their builder at the end, which apparently happens a lot in this industry. Reviews consistently mention exceptional project management and going above and beyond. Their designs blend rustic charm with modern amenities. Texas Best Construction, run by Josh and Brandy Helm in the DFW area, focuses on high-efficiency, low-maintenance builds. They're known for sharing their journey openly on YouTube and social platforms, showing both struggles and successes. Their barndominiums emphasize energy efficiency and durability against Texas weather. Pricing is competitive for the DFW market. They've earned reputation as one of the best in the country through transparency and craftsmanship. 1845 Barndominiums, based near Hallsville, Texas, specializes in luxury, residential-style barndominiums. They build within 80 miles of Hallsville, covering Smith, Harrison, and Gregg counties, and also ship kits nationally. Their builds aim for completion in 6 months or less. What makes them different is their metal building engineer who specializes in high-end custom Barndo homes. They've evolved the barndominium from glorified barn to luxury custom home with high-quality materials, offering long-term energy and cost savings. Their designs are engineered to resist heat, water, and wind. Brownwood Barndominiums serves West Central Texas with turnkey, custom metal homes. They've built strong reputation for local service, with the owner John providing his personal number and responding almost immediately to calls and texts. Client reviews emphasize best pricing compared to other area builders, excellent communication, and custom floor plan design. They specialize in modern farmhouse designs and functional shop homes with affordable solutions and personalized service. The Midwest: Illinois, Missouri, Oklahoma. The Midwest has embraced barndominiums for their durability against harsh winters and tornado resistance. Rural Renovators, based in Illinois, specializes in post-frame construction for barndominiums. They pride themselves on customized solutions and practical, comfortable spaces. Whether your barndominium serves as hideaway, hobby workshop, or primary residence, they craft designs specific to your needs. Their post-frame technique is particularly suited to Midwest weather conditions. Pricing typically runs $70 to $150 per square foot for the region. Grainer Buildings operates in Iowa and Illinois, providing full-service assistance from initial blueprints to 3D CAD designs that help you visualize the space. This is huge because seeing your barndominium in 3D before construction prevents costly changes later. They're well-versed in Midwest building codes and weather requirements. Back 40 Building Co. works across multiple states, including Oklahoma. They helped the Stunkard family build their 5-bedroom Oklahoma barndominium for under $500,000 while the family self-contracted a large portion. Back 40 focuses on construction-ready plans designed by actual builders, which means buildable plans, not just pretty pictures. They offer stock plans, custom modifications, or completely unique designs with high-touch experience. The West: Oregon, Washington, Mountain States. Western builders face unique challenges: wildfire codes, seismic requirements, and high labor costs. DC Builders, based in Oregon but operating in 48 states via traveling timber crews, specializes in hybrid heavy timber style barndominiums. Yes, their costs are higher, but they deliver 5-star aesthetics. They handle Oregon wildfire code compliance, including Class A roofs and ember-resistant vents at no extra design fee. They use premium kiln-dried lumber from Pacific Northwest forests. Their signature designs like the Oak Ridge and Shasta blend work and living spaces with timeless post and beam construction. Pricing runs higher at $120 to $200 per square foot for shell, but the quality and aesthetics justify the premium for many clients. DC Structures, also Pacific Northwest based, offers wood-framed barndominiums using premium lumber for posts and trusses. They provide expert designers who create interactive 3D models you can explore and modify in real time. This collaborative process lets you add personal touches like expansive porches, farmhouse accents, or large decks. They tailor designs for various climates and ship kits with everything needed for sturdy, aesthetically pleasing shells. The National Builders. Several builders operate coast to coast with proven systems. Morton Buildings brings over 110 years of construction experience to barndominiums. They're a leading provider with extensive expertise in durable, energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing builds that exceed client expectations. Their century-plus track record means they've weathered every market condition and building trend. They specialize in post-frame buildings and have developed efficient systems. Pricing varies by region, but their reputation for quality is consistent nationwide. Red River Barndominiums creates stunning, functional barndominiums with keen eye for detail and emphasis on customer satisfaction. Their experienced team offers innovative designs, superior construction, and seamless building experience. They've built strong industry reputation through completed projects across multiple states. Sand Creek Post and Beam is known for exquisite craftsmanship and timeless designs. They offer customizable packages combining beauty of post and beam construction with modern amenities. Their unwavering commitment to quality materials and superior customer service delivers barndominiums that stand the test of time. The exposed timber aesthetic is their signature style. Design trends in 2026. Across all these builders, certain design trends dominate in 2026. Solar integration from the beginning is the newest trend. Builders are designing electrical systems and roof orientations with solar in mind from day one, rather than retrofitting later. Open concept living remains king. Great rooms with 14 to 16-foot ceilings, exposed beams, and polished concrete floors create that signature barndominium aesthetic. Primary living areas flow seamlessly into kitchens and dining spaces. Integrated workshop space is standard now, not an afterthought. Dedicated shop areas with reinforced floors, 220V power, and overhead doors are built into the initial design, often saving $30,000 to $80,000 compared to separate structures. Energy efficiency features like spray foam insulation, smart home technology, and high-efficiency HVAC systems are becoming standard rather than upgrades. Builders recognize that upfront investment in insulation pays off in monthly utility savings. Split floor plans for privacy, with master suites and private wings and secondary bedrooms grouped separately, are increasingly popular in 2026 designs. Red flags to watch for. Not every builder deserves your business. Here are critical warning signs. If a builder won't share previous client references, walk away. The best builders gladly connect you with happy homeowners nearby who'll show you their finished barndominiums. If the bid is heavily underbidding competitors, it probably excludes essentials like site grading, insulation, or engineer drawings. A $90 per square foot shell build with vague specs can end up more expensive than a transparent $120 bid with full inclusions. Unclear material specifications are red flags. Ask exactly what you're getting: red iron or light gauge framing. Is metal siding 26 gauge or 29 gauge? What insulation type and R value? Closed cell spray foam performs better, but costs more than bad insulation. Watch for inclusion versus exclusion games. Confirm whether concrete slab, porches, garage doors, and septic connections are included in the quote. Some builders give low quotes, then add these as extras. Verify the builder is bonded and carries general liability and workers' compensation coverage in your state. You can check licensure and bond history through your local contractor licensing board. If a builder is unwilling to lock steel prices for at least 90 days, reconsider. Steel price fluctuations can add 8% or more to your costs. Pricing reality, check 2026. Let's talk honest numbers. Turnkey barndominium pricing in 2026 ranges from $65 to $160 per square foot for basic builds in affordable regions like Texas and the Midwest. This climbs to $180 to $250 per square foot in high-wage regions like coastal areas and major metro zones. Luxury finishes can push costs to $300 to $400 per square foot anywhere in the country. Construction timelines typically run 6 to 12 months, which is 5 to 15% faster than conventional stick-built homes. Shell packages alone run $10 to $20 per square foot for DIY, while dried-in pricing with shell plus exterior finishes runs $90 to $140 per square foot. Compare this to traditional home construction at $150 to $300+ per square foot, and you see why barndominiums are attractive. But remember, the cheapest quote isn't always the best value. You want transparent pricing with detailed specifications. Here's my honest take after researching builders across the country. For full turnkey service where one company handles everything, Boss Hog Barndominiums and the Barndo Co. deliver comprehensive solutions. You'll pay more, but you avoid coordinating multiple contractors. For regional expertise with personal service, look at specialists like Brownwood Barndominiums in Central Texas, Texas Best Construction in DFW, or 1845 Barndominiums near Hallsville. These builders know their local markets intimately. For premium aesthetics and timber frame beauty, DC Builders and Sand Creek Post and Beam deliver stunning results worth a higher cost if design is your priority. For a proven track record and stability, Morton Building's 110+ years in business provides peace of mind, though you may sacrifice some customization flexibility. No matter which builder you choose, follow these steps. Get at least 3 detailed quotes with full specifications. Visit completed projects in person if possible. Talk to previous clients directly. Verify licensing, bonding, and insurance. Read the contract carefully, especially regarding change orders and payment schedule. Confirm what's included versus excluded in writing. Ask about warranty coverage. Check if they lock material prices. Remember, building a barndominium is likely the biggest investment you'll make. Taking time to research builders thoroughly will save you money, stress, and disappointment. The right builder transforms this process from nightmare to dream come true. If this video helped you understand the barndominium builder landscape, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest content on alternative housing. Drop a comment below telling me which state you're building in and which builder caught your attention. I read every comment and often create videos based on your questions. And if you're serious about building, check out my other videos on barndominium costs, financing options, and design ideas. The more educated you are, the better your build will turn out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.